Discover the timeless charm of New Orleans with Haunted History Tours Garden District Tour. Designed in the 1800s to rival the French Quarter's beauty, the Garden District is a lavish neighborhood steeped in history we can't wait to share with you. Join us as we delve into the architectural marvels and lush flora that define the Garden District and view New Orleans' homes of the rich and famous. Book your tour today and embark on a journey through beauty and history. But wait! There's more. If you get your Garden District Homes of the Rich and Famous tour today, you're going to receive, courtesy of us, Haunted History Tours, your choice of any other haunted history walking tour absolutely free. Ghost, voodoo, vampire, true crime, cemetery, you name it, absolutely free. On us. So get your Garden District Homes of the Rich and Famous tour today and enjoy another one on us. Book your tour at hauntedhistorytours.com.